Let's create this Apple style text animation. In your composition, I will add Apple style animation. Apple style animation, text animation, text animation. Okay, align it. Now open text layer, go to animate, select opacity, set it to 0, add another property, position, set its Y position to 100. Now go to any range selector, advanced, based on characters set it to words, and shape is ramp up. Set ease high to -50 and ease low to 100. Now we'll just have to animate. Go to range selector, set a keyframe, set it to -100, move few frames forward and set it to 100. Select your keyframes, press F9 and it's done. Hope you like this quick tutorial. I'll see you in the next one.